Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube thumbnail for your videos within a few minutes. So in here, I'm going to use Canva. You can use it on mobile or on browser like I do in here, and you can now just head into templates in here. Then pick a clean and bold template. You can go with YouTube thumbnail in here. You can just click on this one, or you can just search directly in here YouTube thumbnail. Hit on enter. Okay, so you can just choose something that matches your video topic. For example, I'm going to use this one. You can now click on the template, customize this template. So once the template is open, you can just upload your photo, or you can also use a free stock image from Canva. You can replace this, or you can just use the same image if it matches with your topic. Then you can just add short text to your thumbnail. Let's, for example, I'm going to let's say TikTok viral trick, like this, and you can delete the unnecessary elements that you don't need. So for example, I'm going to delete this one in here, and also this one. Now I'm going to add TikTok icon because it match with the topic. You can search on elements in here, this one, and reposition and resize it to match with other elements, like this. Don't forget to also use contrast and color. So you need to make your text stand out. You can use a bright color like this, like blue and yellow, or you can also use a bold font. Now you can just click on share, tap on download, and here I suggest you to use JPG for the format or file type because it's small and it fits with YouTube thumbnail size. Click on download and you can upload it to your YouTube video. So guys, that's how you can create a YouTube thumbnail. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you all in the next video.